So in this video we're gonna learn about how to make italic, bold and underline in your text. So first of all, we don't really need the cat pages anymore because you're filling a lot of the space. You can remove it if you want to, you don't have to. So to make an italic text, you just go with an italic here, and then you can say italic text. Then we can go in and create bold text by saying bold, bold text. Then we can go in and say U for underline, underline text. So we have italic text, we have bold text and underline text. Again, you can put this inside a paragraph or you don't have to, but this is how you do these tags. And again, there's hundreds of tags you can use in HTML, and we're not going to cover all of them. We're going to cover the most basics and the most important ones, and we're going to cover the things you would always need to create a website. So that's what we're going to cover in this course.